got an F150 panoramic glass, had a leak. Everything checked okay. The sunroof was adjusted well, the drains flowed, but he said when he went through a car wash, he got wet. Well, can you see why? And I pulled the glass out. I saw this from inside, but I pulled the glass out. Look at that. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. So this came loose, and this goes down and scrubs the glass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some adhesive and put it down here, because this adhesive on the bottom of this seal is just pretty chintzy. It's not that great. But if if you've checked everything and you can't figure out anything else, and you can't figure out why you're getting wet, you might want to check this. Might be your boy. Not too hard to fix either. Just clean this off a little bit, put you some weather strip adhesive of some type on there, and like the instruction says, and that'll hold it down into place. So questions, comments, talk to me.